I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the brick rod in Fisch on Xbox. To start this unique quest, you'll first need to meet a couple of important prerequisites. Make sure you have accumulated at least 22 hours of playtime within the game. Additionally, you must have successfully unlocked the Desolate Deep area. Once these are met, visit the Innkeeper in Desolate Deep to set your spawn point there, which is crucial for the quest. Your next step involves finding 3 specific white bricks scattered across the map. The first brick is located at Roslet Bay, near the base of the volcano. For the second, you'll need to explore a cave on Ancient Isles. The final brick awaits you in the depths, positioned behind a distinctive red crystal, close to the merchant. Remember to interact with each brick you find to ensure your progress is saved. Now for a critical part of the quest, discovering your unique 2-part code. The first segment of this code can be found on Mushgrove Swamp, often hidden on the underside of a tree branch. The second segment is located deep underwater in the brine pool, usually beneath a bridge. This code is specific to your game, so make sure to write down both parts accurately, as you will need them very soon. For the final steps, first catch a pufferfish and equip an appropriate title. Next, seek out Minish, a ghost NPC who appears on Harvester's Spike during summer nights with foggy weather. A smokescreen totem can help with fog. Talk to Minish, enter your unique code in the chat, then present the pufferfish. You will then be teleported to a special room where you can buy the powerful brick rod for 13,337 $.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.